Replacing the fusing lamps on the HP Jet Fusion 5200 and 5600 3D printer series. Before you begin the replacement procedure, make sure you have the fusing lamp kit, which is included in the CSR Standard Uptime Kit, but can also be purchased separately. HP recommends you wear linen gloves and goggles when you replace the fusing lamps. Make sure that the printer is not printing a job on the printer's front panel. Touch supplies and then fusing lamps to see the status of each lamp. If a fusing lamp is defective, replace it. Power off the printer. Open the top cover. Identify and locate which of the two lamp sets you need to replace. Unscrew the captive screw and the protective cover at the front of the fusing lamp assembly. Unclip and pull up the protective cover. Unplug the temperature target sensor cable. Unplug the lamp's main connector. Unscrew the captive screw on the fusing lamp assembly. Pull the fusing lamp assembly to the side and out to remove it. Remove the fusing lamp module from the carriage and place it on a flat surface. Disconnect the 4 lamp connectors. Release the cable. Turn the assembly upside down and unscrew the 4 screws on the exterior glass frame. Remove the exterior frame and glass. Push the internal glass to the side and release the glass. Pull up to remove the old fusing lamp and its cable through the released space on both sides. Slide in the new fusing lamp to install it. Leave the golden side down towards the interior of the module. Reassemble the fusing module in the reverse order in which you removed them first. Insert the internal glass. Then the frame. Then connect the cables and the connectors. Turn the assembly upside down and slide it in the printer carriage slot until it latches and clicks into place. Tighten the captive screw. Plug the temperature target sensor cable and the lamp main connector. Clip the protective cover. Tighten the captive screw and the protective cover at the front of the fusing lamp assembly. Close the top cover. Power on the printer. On the printer's front panel, open the Supplies app. From the Supplies app, verify the fusing lamps are installed correctly. The lamp replacement process is complete and you can resume printing.